What's up, people? It's me, Mr. Raj again. It has been a very long time since we last saw. I've been very busy, but I'm back here to meet you guys with a new content. What are we going to see today? Integration by parts. Are you ready? The idea or the tips is very simple. If you got combination of two different function daripada mana? Well, if you see here, you got LPAT. Okay, so L stands for log, P stands for polynomial, E stands for exponent, T stands for trigo. If you got any two function from this, then I'm going to declare, okay, I'm going to try integration by parts. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, okay, this is going to be my poly, and this is going to be my log. Okay, so there you go, by parts. So every time you want to do by parts, right, please go and write down your formula, integrate u dv uv minus v du. So this is your formula. What is this guy? This guy is going to be the question x ln x dx. So sekarang kerja saya is very simple. I'm going to go and see who is going to take the role of u, who is going to take the role of dv. Ini integration, dia seolah-olah you cancel up. So you nak bandingkan ini. So cara you nak buat tu, buat kata P. So one is going to be my U. Okay, one is going to be my dV. So I need to figure that out. So go right here. Okay, so macam mana kita nak buat? Very simple. In order to see who is going to be your U, okay, what you need to do is, you tengok siapa datang dulu. We know that we got log, I got polynomial, so we see who appear first. So the one who appear first is log, right? So that is going to be my U. So I'm going to write ln x. So dekat sini, benda yang kita tertinggal adalah, okay, you see this is ln x, right? So that will be your U. So benda yang kita tinggal adalah x dx. So that's going to be my dv. Hope you are clear up until there. Again, I repeat, you compare. Ini integral, they kind of cancel out. Your u is the one who comes first, which is your ln. Okay, so I take that. Then x dx is my dv. Hope you are clear. Sekarang what are we supposed to do? One we will differentiate, one we will integrate. So dekat sini, kalau you tengok this one, I differentiate. So actually it should be du over dx, right? Differentiate ln x, you know very well, it's going to be ln, is going to give you 1 over x. And then this guy I'm going to go and integrate. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, tak ada apa-apa kat depan kan, this is actually 1. 1 you differentiate with respect to v. So that is going to be just v sahaja. Then your x is going to integrate with respect to x. So that's going to be x square over 2. No need to put plus c here. Remember by part dekat stage sini, tak payah letak plus c, tak payah letak modulus. I'm just going to tweak here a bit. Just need du. Kenapa? Kalau tengok nanti, I need to find out what is u, what is v, what is v, what is du. So I need du saja. This dx saya kasih pindah ke sebelah sini. Boleh ikut sampai situ? Hope you are good. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go and substitute here accordingly. So u darab dengan v. So this guy and this guy, x square over 2 ln x minus, my v is going to be this guy times du. So ini darab dengan ini. So x square over 2 times 1 over x dx. Fairly straightforward, right? Now, just one more step, simple integration dekat sini, and we are done. Cancel. So x square over 2 ln x. Supposed to be minus here. My equal should be here. So dekat sini 1 over 2 I kasih keluar. Integrate x dx. So easily you can go and integrate your x, which is just going to give you x 1 over 2 x square over 2 plus c. And of course, I recommend you to go and multiply that. Simple, right? You must able to tell what kind of integration is this. So very simple. If you see this, right, you must know, okay, I can do by part. Kenapa? Because dekat sini saya ada poly. Then I got exponent mah. Tada! So because of that, I can use by part. So setiap kali buat tu, tolong tulis your formula, integrate u dv uv minus v du. Sekarang I need to go and pilih who is going to be my U, who is going to be my DV. So kalau you tengok dekat sini, I already told you, siapa yang datang dulu, that is your U. So if you do your comparison, right, okay, you have polynomial and your exponent. So you boleh tengok dekat sini, polynomial comes first, mah. So polynomial is going to be my U. So I'm going to go and put X. Then you tengok sini ya, okay, you tengok sini, this is the question, right? Okay, I write it down here. So as you compare, your U is your X mah. So ini ibarat you cancel out. So yang tinggal tu adalah ini. This is your dV. Okay, hope you are clear with that. So I'm going to go and put my dV as E 3x dx. Macam tadi, apa yang kita buat? One I'm going to go and differentiate. One I'm going to go and integrate. So dekat sini kalau you tengok differentiate du, sekarang apa saya boleh buat? Saya boleh simpan dalam hati. Normally is du over dx. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to write dx dekat bawah. Differentiate x, I'm going to get 1. Selalu kita tulis over dx kan. So dx terus pindah jadi begini. I already done my differentiation. Now what I need to do is I need to go and do my integration. So dekat sini I integrate both sides. Macam I already told you just now, here saya ada 1. So integrate 1, you're just going to get V. Exponent, you know very well how to integrate. Copy. Differentiate the function. So going to get 3. No need to put plus. Senang kan? Now I got everything there. So sekarang saya akan letak dekat sini U darab dengan V. Ini darab dengan ini. So going to become X. E3X over 3 minus V. V saya adalah ini mah. So E3X over 3 times du, which is this guy. Okay, 1, I no need to write. Senang kan? Sekarang, normally dekat sini simple integration mah. Okay, kalau boleh. So here, 1 over 3, I tarik keluar. E3X dx. Easy, isn't it? So, lagi satu step. 1 over 3, E3X over 3 plus C. Bang! Okay, what is going to be different with this example is you're going to be seeing there is need to do by part twice. Maksudnya, setiap kali you tengok kan, lepas you sudah ganti dalam form ini kan, you boleh integrate easily, right? Kali ini, you're going to go and see, you terpaksa buat lagi satu integration by part. Okay, tak percaya. Let's go. Okay, let's see here. Dekat sini kalau you tengok kan, we need to convince ourselves why we are using by part. Well, if you see, macam I already told you lah, kita ada LPAC. So LPAC dekat sini kalau kamu tengok, one is going to be polynomial. This is poly mah. This is exponent mah. So saya ada ini sama ini. Definitely by part. Sudah tahu by part, what you do next? You go and write your formulae. U dv bersamaan dengan uv minus v. Okay, now I go and write this supaya saya senang boleh buat comparison. I need to select who is going to be my u. So kalau kita tengok dekat sini siapa u kita, of course kita akan ambil yang datang pertama kan. So kalau you tengok dekat sini polynomial. Polynomial is going to be my u. So I go and write my u as my x square. Then another one more thing is going to be my dv. So you tengok ini seolah-olah cancelling out. Ini u dengan x square. And then my dv adalah benda yang leftover. So my dv here is going to be ex dx. Hope you don't have any problem. Tolong ikut macam saya bagi tahu dekat sini. So you letak ramuan you dekat sini lah, sama macam how I taught you to do differentiation. So next what we're going to do is, I'm going to go and differentiate. So here is going to be du over dx. I'm going to simpan dx dalam hati. Ini 2x dx. Hope you are clear up until there. Now here I'm going to go and integrate both sides. So here, you know you got 1, so going to be v. Integrate ex, you're going to get ex. Easy, right? So sekarang saya akan pergi gantikan dekat sini. My uv is, ini darab ini, so is x square ex. Minus v du. My v du, this guy and this guy. So it's going to become 2x ex dx. Okay, sehingga situ. Sekarang, the highlight of this question is, I already told you, berbeza dengan example sebelum ni, is you're going to do integration by part twice. Maybe some of you, wait, what am I going to do here? What am I going to do? Relax. Polynomial, exponent. Another one more time by part. Okay, another one more time. So sama macam tadi, you're going to write u kamu adalah 2x. Then of course my dv is going to be ex dx. Okay, tolong buat your comparison macam saya ajar tadi. So one is du over dx. So dx saya simpan. So it's going to be 2 dx. Kenapa? Because differentiate 2x is going to be 2 mah. Here I'm going to go and integrate both sides. Going to be v. Ini ex saja. Senang kan? Sekarang when you want to ganti, tolong hati-hati. Sebagai langkah berjaga-jaga to not make any mistake, what I will do is, this guy I go and do separately lah, meaning to say okay, selalu u dv, uv minus v du, saya buat dekat tempat lain. So I know this is the question mah, 2x ex dx. So hasil dia sudah ada dekat sini, ini darab ini. So 2x ex, and then minus with v du. So my v du. So integrate 2 ex dx. Hope you are clear up until there. I'm going to disappear slightly supaya you can see. 2x ex. Integrate this guy is just going to be 2 ex sahaja. Then maybe one can put plus c. So I'm going to take this entire chunk. I'm going to replace it here. So supaya kita tidak buat apa-apa careless mistake lah. Because normally what student can do is they can make mistakes with the sign. So sekarang saya akan pergi ganti x square ex minus, I copy this entire thing, 2x ex minus 2ex tambah c. Just going to expand x square ex, 2x ex, negative negative become positive, and this is unknown. Unknown darab dengan apa-apa pun mesti unknown. Okay. So there you go. Question yang melibatkan integration by part twice. So tips untuk kamu adalah you put everything by the side, just take and gantikan saja. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learn something with integration by part. Next thing is tolong pergi cuba soalan pasir. Signing off for now. See you in the next video. Mr. Raj, have a good 1 week break. Jangan lupa to study. I'll be seeing you on my channel.